Hello, in this video I will show you what could be one of the causes if you have a problem with the battery condition sensor on your Volkswagen Golf 7. One of the causes could be a blown fuse, so here in the video we will show you the location of the fuses for the battery condition sensor. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'm going to show you how to test the fuses. I'll show you how to test the fuses using a test light and a multimeter. First I'll show you with a test light. So in order to test the fuses with a test light, we need to turn the ignition on. This is the test light that I'm going to be using. You need to put the other end of the cable onto battery negative or chassis ground. In my case I'm going to put it on battery negative. So these are the fuses that I'm going to be testing. On each side of the fuse there is a pin that we need to touch with the test light, and if they should both light up. If one of them lights up, the other one doesn't light up, that means fuse is blown. If they both light up, that means the fuse is good. Next we're going to test fuses with a multimeter, if they are good or bad. This is what the fuse looks like, and this is the contact in the middle that connects to the two pins. If the contact is connected, that means the fuse is good. If it's burnt, that means there is an open circuit on the fuse and fuse is blown. So in order to check the fuses, we need to measure their resistance. So turn the multimeter on to 20k ohms and we'll start measuring. When measuring the resistance of the fuses, the resistance has to be very close to zero. First we'll check the resistance of the two cables. It has to be zero as well. And now we'll start testing the fuses. If it shows something close to zero, fuse is good. If it doesn't show anything, that means fuse is blown off. If it shows a lot of resistance, also fuse is not good. The first one showed 0, the second one also shows 0 ohms, the third one shows 0 ohms, and the fourth one shows open circuit. It doesn't show any ohms, nothing is changing. That means this fuse is blown. Now we see what the condition of the fuse is visually. We can see that the contact in the middle is not connected to the two pins, so that's why it doesn't show any resistance, because it's an open circuit. Next I'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes on this Volkswagen Golf 7. There is two main fuse boxes. One of them is in the engine bay and it's located on the left side of the engine, right there underneath this fuse box cover. And that's the fuse box right there. Next I'll show you the other main fuse box. It's located in the fascia on the left of the dashboard, underneath the steering wheel. You need to remove this pocket, you need to bring it down, and the fuse box is right behind it, right there. Next we'll show you in the service manual all the fuse boxes on this Golf 7. We can see there is two fuse boxes, one in the engine bay, one in the fascia, and two of them for the up to 2013 model, and the two of them were for the 2013 and up model. So depending on the year of your car, you'll know which fuse box is for your car. In the search tab we're going to type battery condition sensor and to show us all the fuses for it. We can see there is only one fuse for it and it's located in the engine bay fuse box. And the fuse there is F18 5 amp fuse. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.